Hey Vail homeowners, I wanted to jump on here today and give you a quick update on what's going on in the Vail housing market for 2022. My name is Jeffrey Cloonan and I work with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices right here in beautiful Vail, Colorado. And we can all see that the numbers are continuing to increase across the board in home values. And we're still seeing very historic low interest rates out there as well. And so a lot of my clients are expressing concerns about selling in Vail because a lot of them want to upgrade. And in doing so, I wanted to just kind of address a couple of concerns where we're going to look at the numbers and we're going to look at the availability of inventory and then, come up with some opportunities and solutions that you might not have thought about. And so again, as I was saying, a lot of my clients, they have this one question: if I sell, where am I going to go? And so I wanted to break down the market into kind of three sections: the lowest price point to 5 million, the 5 million to 10 million, and then the 10 million and beyond, and kind of just give you guys an idea of where we stand with inventory, what looks good to the buyer right now, and what we can do as a seller who is thinking of selling so they can upgrade and come up with a great solution and a great plan that maybe you haven't thought about. So let's break down the 1.85 million, which is the lowest price point of anything that is available for sale in Vail right now, Vail and Lion's Head. So 1.85 to 5 million bucks. Right now, there are 15 opportunities for buyers. And one of those residences, though, however, is still 2 to 3 years away. Legacy at Vail Square is going to be a brand new project that is going to break ground just right after ski season ends here. And they're going to be working on that project for quite some time. So let's call it 14 opportunities for buyers out there. And, in that price point, we are seeing buyers really, really want to go after that inventory. And then if we take the 5 to 10 million, there are 16 opportunities for a buyer to come in and purchase. However, 9 of those 15 are part of the Elevation project, where they're going to start taking reservations starting April 1st. And then the other one being the Legacy at Vail Square. And so 9 of those are those 2 projects. So that really only leaves 6 opportunities. So if your home is in that $5 to $10 million range, you actually will have an opportunity to get a lot of lookers coming through, because we are seeing in the marketplace that the buyer is really looking for instant satisfaction. They want to close and they want to enjoy. And so that is a really wonderful price point to be in as a seller right now. So then we go from 10 million to 40 million. So that's a huge gap, yes. There are 18 opportunities there, 18 opportunities for that price point. And if you are looking to upgrade, you actually have some choice. And there is some beautiful stuff there. There's only one residence that is going to be in that 10 to 40 million. That is one of those new construction projects. So, we still are seeing 17 opportunities. And, I'm not thinking all the time that we have a inventory problem. I just think that sometimes it's an execution problem. There's opportunity to find inventory if we can't find what you are looking for as a buyer after you sell. So if you would like to discuss your certain situation and you want to help me come up with a solution for you, I would love to hear from you. You can call or email me. My telephone number is 970-445-8388, and my email address is jeffrey@bhhsvail.net. So Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Vail.net. So I really look forward to helping you out. I really look forward to kind of exploring your goals and getting those goals achieved. Again, my name is Jeffrey Cloonan. I work with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services right here in beautiful Vail, Colorado, and I look forward to serving you. Thank you.